A lot of times, coaching is most appropriate when someone could really benefit from being developed. But that being said, there has to be that willingness to want to change themselves, to grow themselves, to learn. So sometimes coaching isn't appropriate. If someone's in dire need of something like fast acting solutions, they've just lost their job, they have no money, they're probably going to be better served by someone that can give them some quick advice. But where coaching can really shine is when someone wants to learn how to figure things out for themselves or how to achieve their goals. It's kind of like you're not teaching them to fish, you're coaching them to learn how to teach themselves how to fish. And so the beautiful part about coaching is even though it can be a little bit longer process, the effects are lifetime. The sustainability is amazing and the depth of transformation possible only limited by your willingness to show up for your client and your client to show up for themselves.